Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Riot Client not opening or launching. The first thing we're going to do is to search for Task Manager. And we are going to open this one. And we are going to look for Riot Client. So if you have Windows 11, you can search for it. If not, we can just go through the list and find Riot Client like this one, as well as any Riot related processes like this as well. You right click on it and click on End Task and make sure that there are no more Riot related processes in this list. After that, we exit on this app and right click on Riot Client on your desktop and let's go to Properties. From here, let's go to the Compatibility tab and we make sure that disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator are both checked like this and click on Apply and hit OK. After you have done that, you can try launching Riot Client again. If it does not work, the next step is to search for Windows Defender and let's open Windows Defender Firewall. From here, click on Allow an app or feature from the options at the left and click on Change Settings at the top right. From here, we are going to look for a Riot Client. It is in here for me. If you have it on your list, make sure that both private and public is checked for the Riot Client. If you don't have Riot Client on the list, you can click on Allow another app right here. Click on Browse, and if you don't know where your Riot Client app is located, you can right click on it on your desktop and click on Open File Location. From here, you can then click on the address at the top, hit Ctrl+C, and go back to the Windows Defender Firewall, hit on the address section as well, and hit Ctrl+V, hit Enter, and double click on Riot Client Services.exe and just click on Add. And again, make sure that both private and public are ticked. Let's click on OK and try launching your Riot Client again. If it doesn't work, the next thing is to search for CMD, right click on it and run as administrator. Click on yes, and the commands we're going to type in is to clear the network cache. So first is ipconfig space flush DNS, hit enter. And next command is netsh winsock reset and hit enter again. After that, you have to try opening Riot Client once again. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.